Hey, I have another unboxing video for you all today, and I'm really sorry if some of you are getting sick of these, but like I say in every one of these videos that I film, I love doing unboxing videos, I love watching unboxing videos, and I know a lot of you like watching my unboxing videos. So I'm once again working with one of my favourite brands to work with, and that is Social Network Solutions. They are just basically a platform that connects bloggers and influencers and YouTubers or whatever with brands, and they basically create opportunities for both sides. So it's a really good platform to be part of if you are on the social media side of things, and I would highly recommend them, they're great. And they often really generously send me a box to unopen for you all on camera, filled with amazing brands and products. And they also send me some really great discount codes so that you can all get some really good discounts on everything that I show in the video. So basically, everyone's happy, everyone's a winner, happy days. So this hamper is the Social Network Solutions hair and beauty hamper. So everything inside is kind of hair and beauty related. However, I haven't seen anything yet, so this is going to be my first reaction to everything, like raw. So here is the huge box that it comes in. Oh, it's so heavy this time. And here is the lovely crate that everything comes in. There is something in here that smells absolutely amazing, and I'm a little bit worried that it's exploded everywhere because the smell is very strong. So here's the little note they've left me. They said, "Dear Rosie, we are so excited to have you be part of our hair and beauty hamper. All gifts come complete with a direct link, and some even have exclusive promotional codes for your followers. Don't forget to take a look at our website so you can see all the exciting campaigns we've been involved in, as well as the new events and campaigns coming soon. Thank you so much, SNS, for always including me in these hampers. I absolutely love unboxing them. All product links and discount codes and everything like that will be linked in the description box, so make sure you check that if you are interested in anything that I show." And I say this every time I do an unboxing video, but I'll say it again. I absolutely love doing these videos because I get to showcase some really amazing brands that may just be up and coming or really independent, or businesses that are just new and growing, and I'm really passionate about buying from independent and up and coming brands. Some products aren't like that, but there are often a lot of independent businesses included in these hampers, which I really like. Okay, so I've just seen something that's caught my eye, so I'm gonna have a look at that first. Okay, I said something, I actually mean three things. Okay, so we have a Lee Stafford Curl and Nourish curling wand, which excites me so much. I'm really in need of a new curler, and this one looks amazing. So this is the Argan Oil Curl and Nourish curling wand. So it's a 33mm barrel for big beautiful curls, swivel cord for ease of use. Oh, that's amazing because I absolutely hate cables and cords, they annoy me so much. And it's a ceramic barrel infused with argan oil to leave your hair nourished, soft and shiny. That's amazing. And then I have another curling wand from Lee Stafford, and this one is the Curl Your Heart Out cone wand. So this is a 13 to 25mm barrel for a glamorous drop curl effect. This also looks so amazing. I can't wait to use this one too. And then I have this, and this is what I'm most excited about. This is the Lee Stafford Argan Oil Professional Blow Dryer. And I'm not joking when I say I have never owned my own hairdryer in my life. That might sound a bit weird, but when I was growing up I always just used my mum's whenever I needed to, and that was very rarely. I don't often blow dry my hair just because it's so long and thick that it just takes me so long and I just don't bother. And then when I moved in with Dan, he has his own hairdryer, so I just use his. So I've never actually owned my own hairdryer, but now I do, and it's a really nice red one and I love it. I'm so happy with that. Thank you so much, Lee Stafford. You can also get 10% off the Lee Stafford website with the code 10SNSUKL, and I'll put that here and in the description box as well. What? Oh my god, this has my name on it. Well, my channel's name. It says ThoseRosieDays. It's here, great things, you'll love what's inside. Okay, yes, okay, so I've got a Reviv Lash and Brow Stimulating Serum. Oh my god, thank you. This excites me so much because a while ago I used a lash serum and I absolutely loved it, but it was quite expensive, and then it ran out, and then my eyelashes kind of gradually went back to normal just because of your lashes' natural cycle. So I've been forever wanting a new serum that does the same thing, and I've never tried this before or heard of it actually, so I'm so excited to use this. This is definitely going to replace that one. Honestly, if you haven't invested in a lash serum before and you want longer lashes, invest in one because they really do work. That is what it looks like. There's a lot more in here than my old one actually. And then I've got this, which is a rejuvenating scalp serum mask and pre-shampoo booster. It soothes itching, stinging, irritation and fights flaking, scalp odours and oiliness. And then I also have this Revive Hair Stimulating Serum with redden stem cells, peptides and growth factors. It's a unique and powerful active ingredient to help promote hair growth in both men and women. So basically this is a serum that helps your hair grow, which I want to do at the moment. I really want to grow my hair. It is getting really long, but I want it to be a lot longer. So it says here to apply the serums for at least 3 weeks or longer to fully evaluate results, which is kind of standard for any hair growth treatment. Everything is cruelty free and Beauty Without Bunnies certified, so that's amazing. And then Revive Scalp is a pre-shampoo serum mask. It targets androgen DHT and fights flaking, scalp odours, itching, stinging, irritation and oiliness. It adds smoothness, volume, conditioning and strength to the hair and helps fine thin hair to look, feel and behave like naturally full thick hair. So I have a discount code for you guys for Revive Serums. You can get 10% off any of your orders and free shipping as well at revivserums.com. You just need to use the code ROSIE10 at the checkout, and honestly I'm so excited to use this. Next I've got some items from Harvey Coco. So this is the Harvey Coco Smile Rehab Teeth Whitening Kit. So it's one of these kind of UV type of teeth whitening kits, and you just put it on with this shield and you put the teeth whitening gel in the shield and then just hold it over your teeth like that. And all you have to do is brush your teeth with toothpaste, attach the mouth tray to the light, apply 0.5 millilitres of gel, insert mouth tray and light for 20 minutes. Then you just remove it, wash with water and you repeat daily. So that is so easy. I am definitely going to be using this because I did whiten my teeth once like 2 years ago and they are still quite white, but I would like them a little bit whiter, so I'm definitely going to be using that. And then they've also sent me some vitamins, so I have the Harvey Coco Root Rehab Hair Vitamins, and I got 60 of those. And this is a blend of 14 essential nutrients, including marine collagen, vitamin D3, selenium and biotin to support a natural hair growth cycle and maintain healthy hair. And then I also have these ones, which are the Complexion Rehab Skin Nutrients. And this says here, as we age, skin collagen levels decrease, leaving our skin looking tired, saggy and wrinkled. Complexion Rehab provides 700 milligrams of premium collagen each day, plus 60 milligrams of vitamin C, which contributes to the normal formation of collagen. Used to 8 to 12 weeks for optimum results. Sounds great. Okay, next I've got 3 different items from Tabitha James Kraan. And I've never heard of that brand before, but the packaging for one looks absolutely incredible. Okay, starting with this little one here, this is the organic 4-in-1 conditioner. So you can use it as just a normal conditioner, or you can use it as a leave-in conditioner, as a scalp moisturiser for dry hair, and as a styling aid. So next I've got this compact organic dry shampoo for dark hair. Perfect. So this is dry shampoo and it looks so nice. Clean and refresh the natural beauty and body of hair between washes with this natural dry shampoo. It will help balance oil production and soothe the scalp. I want to kind of see what it's like. Oh, it's literally like a mist. That's amazing. And that smells lovely too. And then I have this, which is a clean shampoo, pure luxury detox, scented with organic essential oils of rose, patchouli and ylang ylang. So there's no synthetics, this is paraben free and 100% natural. I've really wanted to switch to like paraben free shampoo because I've heard amazing results from different people. Oh, it's got that really lovely kind of natural spa scent, the same as the leave-in conditioner. So Tabitha James Kraan is all natural hair care and it's ethical and sustainable, and it says here love your hair, love your planet, and I'm all about the environment and what's best for the planet and stuff, so that's really, really good to know. So you can get 15% off any of the Tabitha James Kraan items from their website, which is tabithajk.com. So get 15% off with the code TRYTJK15. Next I have this cool looking little tin thing, and this is by Exo Balm. So I've got a little note from Exo Balm here, and it says, a multitasking natural beauty balm. Exo Balm soothes and nourishes patches of dry skin, cuticles and lips. The balm is cruelty free, preservative free and fragrance free, making it suitable for those with even the most sensitive skin. This sounds absolutely amazing because I have really dry skin on my hands and on my elbows as well, and on my knees and stuff, so I do need something that's really concentrated to target that. I think I'm going to be using this on my hands all the time because my cuticles are so dry, and it says that it does target cuticles. So it comes like that and you get a little scoopy scoop and then apply it like that. Oh, that feels really moisturising. Wow. And you can also get 15% off the Exo Balm, and the website is exobalm.com with the code DISCOVER15, so make sure to go check that out if you want to. Next I have this lovely little box from Elizabeth Farrah, and this is a professional makeup brush cleaner and dryer. And this honestly has come at the perfect time because my makeup brushes have all been sat dirty for about a month, and I've just been using my fingers to put on my foundation because I can't bother to clean them. So this little device has come to my rescue. So it's this really, really pretty little device. It says Elizabeth Farrah there, and it's got this really nice like pink metallic detailing. So basically you just put the brush in the end of that, and it's got loads of different attachments. Whoa. So basically what you do is you put your brush on the end of here and then dip it in like that, and it cleans it. You have to put like soapy solution or something in here, and it cleans it and then it dries it as well. You can actually get 20% off Elizabeth Farrah website. If you just go to elizabethfarrah.com/offer, you will get 20% off. Okay, next I have a few lovely things from I Love Cosmetics, and I found the culprit of the explosion, and it's this I Love Violet Dreams scented body wash, and it smells absolutely amazing, so I don't mind about the explosion anymore. It smells like Parma violets. So good. Oh my god. And it's really fruity and amazing, and I love fruity, fresh scents. It's also not too sweet. I'm really not a fan of sickly sweet scents at all, but this is really not sickly sweet at all. It's a really lovely, fruity, fresh scent. So I've got these I Love Elderflower Fizz scented bath salts. It's got elderflower, jasmine, apple and cucumber in it. Oh my god. Right, I'm not over exaggerating anything. That is one of the nicest smelling things I've ever smelled in my life. Oh my god. It is fruity, but it's not like overpoweringly fruity, it's more fresh. Then I've got this, which is the I Love Exotic Fruits scented body mist. So this has got mango, grapefruit, melon and pineapple in it, so let's give it a smell. That really wasn't what I expected it to smell like. It's not bad at all. It's just really not what I was expecting. It also smells quite orangey, and it doesn't say orange in there. I don't know why, I just expected it to smell really tropically, and it doesn't. But it's still nice, don't get me wrong. And then the final thing I have from I Love is this glazed raspberry scented body butter, and I'm a little bit apprehensive about this because, like I said, sweet scents aren't my favourite. That smells like, and if you know what I'm about to say, then praise be. This reminds me of Glitter Babes scented perfume or products from Boots. And this was like early 2000s, I think. And they used to sell these like rag dolls in Boots, and they had their own kind of beauty line, and it was for like kids, but they had these little perfumes and it smells like that. It smells like one of them, and that's just taken me straight back to that. It's nice, it's really not too sickly sweet at all. This has got raspberry, strawberry, donut and vanilla in it. Donut? I would have expected it to be more sweet if it's got donut and vanilla in it. I don't normally like vanilla for the same reason I said before. But this one's more raspberry scented. I quite like that. So if you like the look of any of these I Love products, then you can get 20% off their website with the code Rosie20. And finally, I have some lovely eyelashes from Primalash. First I have these ones, which are Velvet by Primalash. These are in Margarita. These are super dramatic, really thick and voluminous, which look amazing, wow. And then I've got these ones, which are Your Crowning Glory. Those look amazing. Those look really wispy and a little bit more natural than the ones before, but they're still really voluminous, so those look amazing. And then there's these ones, which are the most natural looking and probably the ones that I would go to first. They look so lovely and wispy and natural. These are D12 Black by Primalash. And you can get 20% off Primalash with the code PRIMA20, so make sure to go to their website and check that out if you want to. So that's it for this little unboxing. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, make sure to leave a comment down below and let me know what you liked best out of everything that I showed. If you haven't already and you would like to, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you all on board. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye!